стихотворенья, Мусыджаиля, последняя песня, перевод на таджикский язык, Суруди Охирин. Кидур Аззамин, Хашруд, Махбуби, Тангозин Донимам, Таврик Ванани. Як паранда, дар асман мегресад, Тауба верховені гох кунат. Ман, дар ашони хастам, Ман фасик кофина дора. Ман медунам, Кичи кадar ширин ас, Онку ваи, Воливи хайот, Валиман, дар синдон мемурам, И сурудиман Охирин ас. Yürülüp deseler, inanın canım, böyle sözü dostlar söylemez. Yakın görseler, bayrama kanım ile yazılan, andım çağırır ileri gitmeye. Hakkım var mı benim yıkılmaya? Hakkım var mı benim yürülüp kalmaya? Sana benden haber getirseler, değiştirmiş yurdunu deseler. İnanın canım, böyle sözü dostlar söylemez. Beni sevseler, ilden gittim ilvesi için, silahımı asıp omzuma, ilimi veseli değiştirirsem dünyada bana niye kalır? Sana benden haber getirseler, Musa şimdi öldü deseler, sen inanma canım, böyle söz dostlar söylemez, seni sevseler, toprak gömer teni, gömemez güzel türkü dolu gönüllü. Ölürüm desem olur musun? Yeni ölmüş böyle ölümü.
Musa Jalil, Freedom. When it's light of dawn, I'm awake. Or when I sink into sleep's dark abyss, I have a feeling that there is something wanting, that there is something very much amiss. My hands and feet, they don't seem disabled. I seem quite sound of body and of soul. It's freedom that I lack. Yes, that's the trouble. I cannot breathe the air a captor is dulled. When in captivity, your speech is stifled. Your living body is of life deprived. And then, it doesn't matter, not a trifle, whether you are dead or still alive. Even if my limbs are whole, what do I profit? It really makes no difference that they are. My right to move, my free, was my forfeit. My every step, my every song is barred. I grew up without parents yet. I never felt hopelessly bereaved and all alone. But now I've lost what I held even dearer. My native land, the land which was my own. In hostile country, I'm held a captive, an orphan without liberty or home. But to my foes, I'm numberless destructive, and so my life has been confined in stone. Just like a golden bird, you've flown forever, my winged liberty, my freedom fair. If only you had let me go together. Oh, why did I not perish then and there? There is no way to plumb, no way to fathom the pain that tracks the heart for freedom lost. When free, I didn't know the price of freedom. In slavery have I learned that freedom costs.
Musa Jalil, yarım buledir. Hamduğa star tirekte, kıl barbara ilekke, yilek tütlü mine sibel. Unutaldı şu yürekte. Ah, yanala yüreğim. Yanala şu yüreğim. Eğilek tıflı siberime. Yarım bulun bulegim. Garmonsular oynağım. Kıydım şabın aklım. Garmon tavşı eltip birihim. Bizim yürek yarhılın. Ah, yanala yüreğim. Yanala şu yüreğim. Garmon bilen bereket tuğan. Yarım bulun bulegim.
Стихотворение Муса Джалиля «Инанна». Перевод с татарского языка на турецкий язык.
Sana benden haber getirseler, o yıkılmış yorulup deseler. Sen inanma canım, böyle sözü dostlar söylemez, yakın görseler. Bayrama kanım ile yazılan, andın çağırır illeri gitmeye. Hakkım var mı benim yakılmaya? Hakkım var mı yorulup kalmaya? Sana benden haber getirseler, değiştirmiş yurdunu deseler. Sen inanma canım, böyle sözü dostlar söylemez, seni sevsen. İlden gittim, il ve senin için. Silahımı asıp omuzuma, ilimi ve seni değiştirirsem. Dünyada bana daha ne kalır? Sana benden haber getirsin. Musa şimdi ölmüş desin. Sen inanma canım, böyle sözü dostlar söylemez, seni sevseler. Toprak gömer seni, gömemez. Güzel türkü dolu gönülü, öleyim desen, olur musun? Yenip ölmüş böyle ölümü.
Spring of Musa Jalil. Under the mountain, at the marsh, without stopping for a moment, day and night, there is something babbling. It is a talkative spring. Does it sing a song, or does it invite you to drink some water, cold as ice and sweet as honey? Here, riding up to the spring, jumped and bent over the water, horseman with a saber on his side, and behind him, by the spring, we see tired old man and a bunch of kids shouting of excitement. And the spring is happy to see all of that and give water to everyone, as if he knows what you give is yours, as the saying goes.
In the stillness, as we said goodbye, long into your dear loved eyes, I gazed. I remember. From those big dark eyes to transparent teeth round down your face. Those two teeth were an unbounded source of unspoken love and hatred bleak. And it was with burning lips I sought the sweet comfort of your blushing cheek. I drank deeply from that sacred source, while hoped you fears to quench. Day and then I vowed that on our first I would wreak a terrible revenge. From the day your bright transparent teeth for the enemy have been accursed, so the teeth of sorrow and of fear nevermore from your dear eyes would cause.
Musa Jalil, a dream in prison.
I saw my little daughter in a dream. She came, her little hand caressed my hair, and then she said to me, how long it been. Before her little eyes, my soul labored. With joy, my hand went dizzy. I caressed my daughter. In my hand was singing cloud. The thoughts echoed to me. That is what limitless love, agony, and pain can bring about. And then we swam across a lovely sea. We wandered in the meadows fair and wide. The day was dawning. It was light and free. prison as before. The same grim cell and chains and window bed, in fetid darkness by the gloomy door, my English keeps its solitary guard. And then I thought, why call my dream alive? Why the world with ugly jewels defiled? So that, awake, with suffer pain and grief, and joy attends us only when we sleep.
Musa Jalil, the willow. Near our home there is willow growing. She's so happy the spring is here. When I'm coming or when I'm going, she both have ready to me. When I'm back home from my work, I settle in the blushness of her shade. Every evening I love to rest here, amidst the flowers' sweet cascade. By her willowy arms encircled, all too often my poems I rhyme. At such time in meditation, to my notes her head she inclines. When a willow was set in motion by a gust of springtime breeze, one light leaf that had come asunder found the lines of my poem with ease. Willows, alas, have no means of talking, so she hoped that a wind would blow, and the leaf that she sent in greeting her affection clear